I think the whole class is here, but I wanted to ask. And I'm not going to ask you to wave your hand and say no, it wouldn't be possible, or yes, it would be possible for peer pressure, or whatever. But how would y'all think about showing up 20 minutes early so that we could squeeze more time in? Some people work, wouldn't be able to come. Some people have class before this. But if you would be so kind, please text me and say whether you would be willing to come in 20 minutes early or whether you would not. And if somebody says not, then, it's not really fair to do so. Although I could come in and you could come in and we could, go over homework or stuff, but it wouldn't be an official lecture. So, hopefully y'all still all have my number. 898-7767. With the class that they put in the second 8 weeks who come in right after we do, and that gives us less time to hang out. So I'd like to extend our class before that. Oh, be quiet. Oh, I see. Everybody's sending me messages, so don't be quiet. Keep sending me. Keep sending. But we don't need to hear that. Quiet. All right.
I got a question about the test review we did the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah, did you put that note, that text document anywhere in P12?
Did I? Did I not?
I'm not sure. I looked for it, but I couldn't find it.
Remind me, was it all written in Java or was it written in a notepad
We've been
file?
at a text document, yeah.
Yeah.
I was taking notes, but I deleted it because you said you were posting yours in there.
I wish I had. Let me.
It's under notes.
Oh, it is in there?
All I see is inheritance and string builder. But was that what is day J, the day we were here?
Yeah.
Okay, then yeah, then all the notes should be in the notes folder.
Okay.
Yeah.